Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a F250 that has some rattling, and then from what we could sense, and it took us a couple of days, we found out that one of the bands on the heat shield on the muffler is missing, and as it heated, it made that little rattling sound, and so we're gonna try to do a replacement. Now this is nice and stainless steel. This has got the little factory belt on it, the clip on it. But we're going to try something else, and I'm going to show you what that is here. Let's take a look. Alright, so what we got is, we got a make-yourself hose band clip. It came from Amazon. Fairly expensive, but they give you a roll, and you cut it to size to what you want. And again, stainless steel, so it should last. And then it's just a nice big, you know, clamp. But the way it looks like it goes on, there's no instructions. There's a little loop there, so I'm thinking it goes on underneath there, and then you bring it up, and then you have to take the front loop, and then you have to actually make it latch in the front of it, and then you can drive the other part into it, and then, you know, tighten it down with a screwdriver. So we're gonna try our best to make it work. Okay, so let's cut it to size and let's get it up there. Okay, it's gonna be a fairly short video. Alright guys, I cut it, piece of it to size, and then I took it on the grinding wheel to take the sharp edges off because I don't want anyone to get stabbed, namely me. And then let's see how we do this, okay, because I don't know. One can only hope that it's a success, but I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Okay, so let's send one over. Send it over. There's no holes in the muffler, it looks like, so he's good for the time being. So we'll see. Let's bring it out over. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to try to stay on the original path. And I put a little bender like you see. So let's put that there. And then I'm going to hook it to this side. There we go. Like that. And then we're going to push in the other side. And I gave myself extra just in case. You know, you never know, right? So a little extra wouldn't hurt. So we're going to put it like there, put it like that, and then we're going to tighten it up like so. Let's see if we can get it started and then work through. There we go. Get it work through there, and like I said, I gave myself plenty, and the back half is still clicked there, so we know it's good. We're going to try to stay on the original markings where the original strap fell off, and there we go. Oh yeah, it looks like it's going pretty good. Using the, and hopefully we can get enough pressure on it. I'm going to try to stick it too close to where the original one is here. There we go. Alright, that's pretty tight. Oh yeah, I'd say that's pretty tight. That's holding tight. We can always come back in and tighten it up a little bit more if we have to. But I think that's pretty good. And what do you think? I think that's going to hold it as well as the other one is until the whole muffler rusts off. Okay, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I think it's going to be a fair, fair repair, without getting a new guide or whatever. And I think it's going to hold on. And we'll come back and check it some other time in the future to make sure that the noise isn't returning and that it stays on. But I think there's no play, there's no movement. I think it should be okay. So again, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Take care again. Bye now.